You know, LinkedIn, it's been around for a long time. There's a lot of different content you can create, but what you really should be creating is video.
Oh yeah, and we'll tell you why. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Evan with your local studio.
And I'm Kevin with Kevin Colby Media.
So, LinkedIn video. It seems like that's the hot thing lately.
I know.
Really blowing up compared to like Facebook, Instagram, and that kind of stuff.
Well, you know, you could argue they were a little late to the game.
Yeah, true.
But at the same time, if you don't start sometime, then you always just keep getting left behind, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, video on LinkedIn has become something that I don't know that enough people have taken advantage of.
If you're dealing directly with other businesses, you gotta be on LinkedIn when it comes to content.
Well, think about this. If you spend any time on LinkedIn, probably the chances are you're conversing more with other businesses, like you said, right? Well, then why not share video as well? Because we know how big video is on any platform. It's like one of the #1 decision-making tools you can use. Well, LinkedIn now has opened this up, and they're like, hey, go ahead and use it, why not be using it?
Another thing I think about is the fact that there's really no cost to jump in and do it. You can just create, post, and it's there. And the thing is, since it's so new comparatively speaking to Facebook and Instagram, the amount of content isn't as saturated as those other places. So it's almost like you can have no cost to post and almost an instant audience ready and waiting to read your stuff or watch your stuff compared to more pay-to-play kind of platforms.
And that's a great point, and it may seem like an obvious point, but you know, LinkedIn is a huge platform which is owned now by who? Like Microsoft, right? And so Microsoft didn't buy it, I think, just to kind of shuttle it. They bought it because they saw a huge potential. Free platform, which you probably already know, but you don't have to do the premium account to do video. You can do the free. That's what I have. I have a free account, and it doesn't cost me anything to upload a video, and I can reach thousands and thousands of people, or maybe sometimes just a few hundred if that's who I'm targeting.
Exactly. And I think LinkedIn really lets you get real niche with your audience.
Yep.
Am I saying that right? Niche?
Niche.
I guess it depends what country you're from.
Niche.
Typically, I think in other social platforms, it's more about being broad and like casting a wide net. But really with LinkedIn, I think you really focus on being niche. So if your audience is like DIY basket weavers, you can easily create content for them and people will actually see it versus, I mean, you could try it on Facebook.
Maybe YouTube's
maybe there's
better for that.
Yeah, maybe.
By putting the video out there, what you want is it getting shared and people engaging with, because LinkedIn sees that as, oh, somebody is interested in this, which is honestly, I think, like any platform. If somebody leaves a comment back.
Exactly.
Because one, it shows that you cared, and second of all, it triggers the algorithm because people see that, well, the folks behind, the mighty Oz behind the curtain sees, ooh, engagement, and that means that maybe they're going to serve it up more. Think about the free of this. Yes, Facebook is free, YouTube is free, Twitter is free, Instagram is free. They may not always be free, but maybe they will. But when you've got a platform like LinkedIn that is geared business to business first, and they say, hey, we're going to let you post video for up to 10 minutes, I think is the limit, why not take advantage of it?
So those are some of our thoughts on how you need to be utilizing video content on LinkedIn. But maybe you've got something you want to share. Feel free to leave a comment. Let us know how you're using video content or just content in general on LinkedIn, how you're using the platform, and maybe some of the results that you're getting, because we'd love to hear from you.